2 respectively are yes. 283 is equal to 13. 910 is equal to 10. 537 is equal to 15. Then you have to tell me 164 is equal to what? Now, we will find the solution. If we add these 3 digits, we will get to 2 plus 8
plus
3. Its answer will be equal to 13. Similarly, 9 plus 1 plus 0, it is equal to 10. Similarly, 5 plus 3 plus 7, it will be 15. So we have to find the answer of 164. So 1 plus 6 plus 4, we will add, it will be 11. So 11 will be our correct answer. Now I have question number 2. First number is 14, then 23, then 32, then 41. What will be the next number? So, if we add 14 plus 9, we will get 23. Now 23 plus 9, we will get 32. Now 32 plus 9, we will get 41. And finally, 41 plus 9, it will be 50. So 50 will be our answer. Question number 3 is 5, 8, 11, 14, and what will be the final number? You will see this series. 5 is converted into 8. 5 plus 3. It will be 8. So 8 is converted into 11. It means 8 plus 3. So 8 plus 3 will be 11. So 11 plus 3, it will be 14. And 14 plus 3, it will be 17. So here we will get 17, which will be our answer. Question before here, 5, 4, 5, 20, 5, 6, 30, 6, 7, and question mark. If we multiply 4 times 5, we will get 20. Similarly, 5 times 6, it will be equal to 30. And 6 times 7, it will be equal to 42. Hence, 42 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.